Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you auto insurance review, pros, cons, and more. So let's get started. So now let's get started with the pros. So you can already see here in their website, which is autoinsurance.com. So the pros would be that you would be able to get a budget insurance rate here and let auto help you save hundreds of on insurance right here. So this is really for those on budget. So if you would like to save money on your insurance, you can go to auto insurance right here. And auto insurance is completely free. Click to find out how much money you can save. You can click on this button and then you can see their insurances right here. They have the auto, pet, home, and life. And then let's start with the basics and introduce yourself. So you can help auto learn more about you and your needs so that auto can match you to the perfect policy. And you can now compare and start saving. So the most pro or prominent advantage of auto right here that they are promoting is that you can save a lot right here, and we'll work on our magic to deliver codes and seconds. As you can see right here, they would give you the insurance providers right here on which one can provide you the best price depending on the coverage that you would choose. So this is how it would look like, and then you can experience the difference in saving with our company of over 25 million satisfied customers right here. And you can see their number right here in the top right. This is where you can call to their live agent in order for you to be able to get your insurance and get it customized according to your needs. And now let's go to the cons of auto. So now I have a lot of cons to say about auto right here. So the first one is their website. I don't really like their website. It looks too basic right here, and there is not really a lot going on. Like it lacks the information that I would need from an insurance company, and it's all about saving right here. It doesn't really speak about the quality of the insurance right here, so it's not really attractive to me, in my opinion. And as you can see, their website is not really great, so that would not really score a plus point for me in trusting this insurance company. And then the next thing is that if you would go into Google and search for auto insurance review, you wouldn't really get a lot of information about auto insurance because there is not a lot. Auto insurance is not famous. So as you can see right here, and if you look for it right here in Google, most of the informations or reviews that I see here are negative. So for example, is this one right here that I got from Quora from searching in Google. As you can see, auto insurance is not a traditional insurance provider. They are a quote aggregator, much like in Kayak or Expedia for plane tickets. And they don't really recommend auto insurance. So as you can see, I agree with all the other answers right here. It has horrible service. It was my big mistake to fill out the info. I have been getting so many calls from Opting Insurance. It's ridiculous. So auto insurance might be selling your information to other companies right here. So that is a really big downfall for auto insurance right here. So there, as you can see right here, from Kiana, it says that it's a scam. To read off the auto insurance reviews made by real people, to check them out, click the link below. It's right here. So they are really saying a lot of negative stuff about auto insurance, and I can't find a single thing that is saying that auto insurance is good. So I think that would lean that auto insurance is not a really credible insurance company right here, because I can't get anything right here from auto insurance when I search for the reviews. So yeah, I think that is a really big minus points for insurance right here. If you're planning to get auto insurance, then I can't really say that you can trust this company right here. And now one last thing before we wrap up is that when you go into our website and click on any of the buttons here in the website, so you want to click here on home insurance, and then it would just pop you back in here into the website right here. It really does nothing. It's useless. Even if you click here on start saving, it does nothing. When you click here on the number right here, and it would ask you to pick an app right here, as you can see, I am currently clicking it, but it does nothing right here. So it's really useless. Their website is horrible. So I think that speaks volume when it comes to their insurance quality and the customer service they provide, and made me realize that I may be able to save money here because they gave me low prices, but they would also give me a ton of headache, and as I was interacting with them, I was really annoyed because it's just horrible. So now the conclusion is very transparent right here. It's very obvious. I don't recommend it right here because you might be getting low prices, but you would get a ton of headaches. So it's not really viable, it's not credible, and you don't have a lot of information of this insurance company. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.